Hello, everyone. I hope by now you have very good understanding on how to use pages within Zoho Creator to create amazing layouts for your applications. One of the things that I really enjoy the most is with the use of AI, you can now pretty much imagine, create anything that you want. So to close this course, I deeply encourage you to use any of the language models that are available out there, and just interact with them. And I'll show you how to do it now, so that you can imagine new ways of improving your applications. So in this case, again, we're going back to Video Chapter Express. I'm gonna log in to my account so we can test a few interactions with the AI. So in our previous emails, I believe we tested different colors for the progress bar. So now let's see, we're gonna use this video here to try to get, so just copy the URL, paste it into the application. You can use the same URL as name. And as you recall, yeah, we changed the color to red for this page. But now we're gonna go like out of the box, and we're gonna start asking the AI for really new things. So again, so this is for the transcripts. So I'm gonna go to the My Transcripts, go open that page, look for the HTML, and then I really like to use Claude. This is the one that I have worked with, that it's really giving pretty good results. In fact, I already have several projects that I'm working with, including the Video Chapter Express. So like with any other large language model, you just need to prompt them with very specific information about the things that you want them to do. So in our case, I'm just gonna say I would like to get an out of the box progress bar for my Video Chapter Express app, so that instead of just a color bar running from left to right, we can see little video cameras scrolling left to right. I am copying the script below. Please make sure to maintain the entire structure intact, and just try to implement the video camera request. So as you can see, I pretty much just typed, whatever it is that I want to create. And so you come back to your application, copy the entire code, and just give it to the language model and click enter. And as you can see, it's actually responding, certainly. I'll modify the code to implement the video camera icons scrolling from left to right instead of a simple color bar. I use SVG icons for the video cameras and animals, and animate them using CSS. So what the AI did is it modified the progress bar container, it updated the progress bar section, it added the camera icons, created the SVG icons for the video camera, updated the move right keyframe, and this is our new code. And because we told the AI to keep the entire structure, the entire code is ready for you to just copy the contents of this script, come to your application and replace it with a newly given code by the AI. So once it's stored, again, we'll come back to these movie recaps. So let's do this video now.
This AI tool will take.
I'm gonna take these URL. I'm gonna go back to generate the transcript and click submit. And now let's take a look. Look at this. Now you have little cameras. Can you see them here? So this is what I mean by, playing and interacting with your AI. And in this case, for example, it seems to like be done with just 1, 2, 3 cameras. So let's just ask the AI, hey, can you make it run longer so that it's either a little bit wider and so that we can see more cameras going through. But as you can see, I just literally just told it. So we can even say this looks great, but I can only see 3 little cameras on each loop. Can we make the bar a little wider so that I get to see at least twice as many cameras? And it goes, certainly I'll modify the code and it's gonna do it for you. I mean, so once the key here is to have the initial script that you want to work with, and then after that the AI can help you modify and improve really anything that you want. So as you can see, it's adding up to 6 cameras instead of just 3, making the progress bar a little bit wider. And then all you need to do, copy the contents, go back to your application, replace the entire script with a new one, click save, come back and grab another URL,
Near the Cayman Trough,
copy the URL and test it again. And now, as you can see, the progress bar is wider and we're probably gonna see more video cameras scrolling. Can you see it now? So this literally gives you endless options to play with and improve the user interface with your applications. So if you, like, every day you improve a tiny thing on it, by the end of a year you're gonna have a pretty amazing application built. So I hope this helps. Try to use Claude. I'll leave the links below, but it's Claude .ai. This is the one that you can use. For the most part, you can also use ChatGPT for the same tasks, but this is the one that I have found to give me the best results, along with a clear, detailed explanation of the things that the AI did. So good luck testing. Keep innovating and imagining new things for your applications, and let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.